And Phoenix Hobby break 50-50. Good luck, dice roll. We go Snake Eyes 2 times. Teams first, 1 and 2. Again, 2 here, 2 here. Panthers up top. The Seahawks at the bottom. 2 times now on your names, 1 and 2. Charlie Hanson up top. William at the bottom. Not what I meant to do. Let's sort them out. There's your squads, guys. Phoenix Hobby Early Bird. There's your squads. Good luck. Here we go. And 8 left in Impeccable, 5 left in the Absolute Mega 4 Boxer. Grab your spots on the site in those 2 breaks. Phoenix Hobby. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. Empty box. Phoenix Hobby. Let's hit something massive. Good luck, everybody. Kendre Miller, Josh Allen on the Flamethrowers and Baker Mayfield. Josh Allen Flamethrowers yellow for Buffalo. That is 45 out of 75 going to the Bills and Bob White on the Josh Allen number. Jair Brown, Saquon Barkley on the Lava. Don Kincaid fired up. Saquon for the Giants. On to Brock Walsh. That's 67 out of 150 on the Saquon. Got a pink and a silver Jalen Carter on the Rook. K9 Chase Brown on the pink rookie for Cincinnati. Bengals going to Andre Ursino. 116 out of 199 on the Chase Brown. Bryce Young on the rookie. DJ Moore on the color burst for the Bears. Got filler card fired up of Will Anderson and a Geno Smith contours. Will Anderson Jr. for Houston fired up. That is 23 out of 99. You guys grab your spots on the website. Breaks are on the move. Jonathan Mingo Clayton Tune to 299 on the silver RPA for Arizona. Arizona on the board. Clayton Tune on the silver RPA going to Brent Meyer. Tony Dorsett Fire Forged on the insert. Got silver Michael Wilson, TJ Watt, and Aaron Jones. TJ Watt on the red. That is 32 out of 199 for the Steelers. And Bob White. Trenton Simpson, Kyler Murray on the silver. T. Higgins. Hot Routes blue for Cincinnati. Bengals hit again. 3 out of 35 on the T. Higgins. Bengals going to Andre. Tyler Scott. Got Devontae Smith, Mark Andrews on the Thunderbirds. Devontae on the red for the Eagles. Eagles, 56 out of 199 on the David Fritz. Chad Ryland, Gabe Davis, and Geno Smith. Gabe Davis for Buffalo. That is 80 out of 125. 3 packs to go. I think they're all thick. Should have 2 hits coming up here. Here's one of them. How about Marvin Mims, 28 out of 50 on the jersey. A little 2-color patch for Denver. Going to Scott Burns. There you go, Scott. 2-color patch, Marvin Mims to 50. Got Aiden O'Connell to 250 on the rookie for the Raiders. And Chester Green. The Aiden O'Connell. Red to 250. Joe Burrow, Flamethrowers, 2 packs left. Dalton Kincaid, Jacobs, Kenny Pickett. 16 out of 25 on that patch auto. Pittsburgh and Bob White. You never know, Bob. Pickett could come back next year better than ever. 16 out of 25 on the patch auto Pickett. Nice card there for the Steelers and Bob White. T. Higgins on the Hot Routes. Lamar Strange, Kamara, Alvin Kamara. 29 out of 35 on the ice. A sweet looking card. Fire and Ice to 35. Alvin Kamara for the Saints and Michael Whelan. J.K. Dobbins on the base. Quick recap. Got Kamara. Kenny Pickett to 25 on the patch auto for the Steelers. O'Connell to 250. Mims to 50. Gabe Davis, Devontae Higgins, TJ, Clayton 2 and RPA to 299. Anderson Jr. Moore, Chase Brown, Saquon, and Josh Allen to 75. Let me try to find a better case for this Marvin Mims. That's much better. Much better. Again, guys, Phoenix Hobby in the books. That is the break. Thanks for the fill.